A coordinated efforts by state and central forces led to identification of 60 Myanmar refugees in Govajang village near border Pillar 80 in Moreh, Manipur. The operation conducted on July 15 involved personnel from the state police, Assam Rifles and Border Security Force (BSF). Moreh Additional SP Operation MD Riyajuddin spearheaded the early morning operation, which verified 280 individuals. Among those checked, 60 were confirmed as individuals who had crossed over from Myanmar. Sources revealed that Assam Rifles claim to have already collected biometric data from the identified refugees. However, this process reportedly occurred without the involvement or presence of state representatives, raising questions about coordination between central and state authorities. The Tengnoupal District Police are now planning to conduct their own biometric recording of the refugees. Further, the identified individuals will be required to report to Moreh Police Station for further processing.